How to recognize signs of a dog with a broken tail in the middle or tip. Dogs are known for their wagging tails, which indicate their joy and excitement. However, what happens when a dog's tail is broken? It can be a painful and distressing experience for the furry friend. In this video, we will discuss how to recognize the signs of a dog with a broken tail, specifically in the middle or tip. 1. Understanding the tail anatomy. Before diving into the signs of a broken tail, it's important to understand the anatomy of a dog's tail. A dog's tail is composed of multiple vertebrae, ligaments, muscles, and nerves. It is capable of wagging, rotating, and expressing various emotions. If any part of this complex structure becomes injured, it can result in a broken tail. 2. Observable symptoms. A. Visible bend or dislocation. One obvious sign of a broken tail is an abnormal bend or dislocation. If you notice that your dog's tail is bent at an unusual angle, or if it is not held in its natural position, it may be an indication of a fracture. B. Limp tail. A dog with a broken tail might display a limp tail, meaning it hangs down without any movement. It can often be seen dragging behind the dog instead of its usual wagging motion. C. Swelling and bruising. If your dog's tail appears swollen, bruised, or has an inflamed area, it could indicate a broken tail. Keep in mind that swelling might not be immediately noticeable, so observing your dog's tail over time is important. D. Sensitivity and pain. Dogs with broken tails may exhibit signs of pain when the tail is touched, or if they try to move it in certain ways. They might whine, yelp, or show signs of discomfort when their tail is handled. 3. Behavioral changes. Apart from the physical symptoms, behavioral changes can also indicate a dog with a broken tail. These changes may include: A. Reluctance to wag tail. If your dog usually wags its tail in response to stimuli such as their favorite treats or welcoming gestures, but suddenly stops doing so, it could be a sign of a broken tail. B. Decreased appetite. Dogs in pain might experience a loss of appetite. If your furry friend is not eating as they normally would, it may indicate discomfort from a broken tail. C. Restlessness and agitation. A dog in pain may also display restlessness or agitation. They may struggle to find a comfortable position to sit or lie down. D. Uncharacteristic aggression or withdrawal. Dogs may exhibit personality changes when experiencing pain. Some dogs become aggressive or defensive, while others become withdrawn or seek solitude. For seeking veterinary attention. If you suspect that your dog has a broken tail, it is crucial to seek veterinary attention promptly. A professional veterinarian will be able to accurately diagnose the condition and provide appropriate treatment options. They may perform a physical examination, take x-rays to assess the extent of the break, and recommend a suitable course of action, which can range from conservative management to surgical intervention. 5. Preventing tail injuries. Prevention is always better than cure. To reduce the chances of your dog experiencing a broken tail, consider the following preventive measures. A. Limiting access to hazardous areas. Ensure that your dog does not have access to areas where their tail can get caught, such as closing doors, gates, or using baby gates to block off certain areas in the house. B. Providing a safe environment. Remove any objects or furniture within your home that might pose a risk of tail injury to your dog. C. Gentle handling and play. When interacting with your dog, handle their tail with care. Avoid pulling or tugging on it, particularly during playtime. D. Regular veterinary checkups. Regular veterinary checkups allow for the early detection of any potential tail issues or injuries. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken tail in the middle or tip is essential for any dog owner. Being vigilant about physical symptoms and behavioral changes can help ensure timely and appropriate veterinary care. Remember, a happy and wagging tail is a healthy sign of a dog's overall well-being.